don't even normally buy LEGO anymore, honestly, but there's something about these botanical sets. They're just... they feel worth the price. Hello and welcome back to another LEGO review. Today we're taking a look at set number 10349, Happy Plants. Let's see, 217 pieces, 9 plus, $25 Canadian. So you're looking at around $12 each. Well, plus tax, of course. Anyway, getting into the review, I feel like the most important thing to point out is it does come with 2 separate instructions, so you can build this with someone else, which makes this a wonderful, I wouldn't necessarily say Valentine's gift, but it's something to build with your significant other, or a friend or family member, honestly. These little guys are very cute. You have the pale yellow, slightly smaller, more vertical pot, and the pale blue, wider sitting pot. Thankfully, LEGO actually printed the faces instead of using stickers, which, knowing them, they would have, if they could have got away with it. Honestly, there's not that much to talk about with these. I mean, they're fairly static. You can rotate the arms so that you can have them holding hands, which is cute. The plants in them are actually removable and can be swapped freely between them, though honestly they don't look that great when they're swapped. They're definitely meant for the plants that are in them. Still, it's a nice feature, it's cute. And thankfully for me, they actually do give you little rundowns of the plants in here, which is Dracana in the yellow one, and Pelea in the blue. Honestly, all that's really left for the video is just a size comparison, and honestly, I think splitting it to be like $12 each, I can see these being worth $12. Surprisingly, frankly. So, to wrap this review up, I can actually recommend a LEGO set for once. These little guys are super cute and worth the price. They're a fairly simple build, but they look nice when they're built. They don't do a ton, but they're still characterful. While I don't think it ultimately works out that well, I do like the fact that they built the plants in such a way that you can pull them out and see the root, swap them around. And there's enough size to this that it feels worth the money. Like I said at the start, I don't know what it is about these botanical sets, but a lot of them don't feel like rip-offs. This is one of the only LEGO lines I'm even slightly interested in anymore. And I hate saying that because it's such a, like, I don't want to say normie, but like normie line, you know what I mean? It's like, no, I'm mature, I'm buying the adult sets, they're plants and not, but like these are actually worth the price. If other LEGO lines were priced like relative to how nice the sets are like this, I would be buying them. But they're not. So the only LEGO that I'm interested and find it worthwhile to buy is the botanical sets. So I end up buying sets that make me look like someone embarrassed to buy these. Like, I'm not buying these because they're the adult sets. I'm buying them because they're the only thing worth the money. Anyway, yeah. You don't even have to wait for a sale. Go pick these up, they're nice. If you have somebody to build one with, absolutely get it. It'll be a fun afternoon, fun half hour for the two of you. If you don't, honestly, these are adorable and they'll look good on your desk, so go pick them up. And that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to let me know what you think down in the comments below. Subscribe and hit the bell to be alerted for future reviews. Come chill in the Discord. Follow me on Twitter, if that's even still around. And consider supporting me on Patreon so I can keep bringing you videos like this. And, as always, until next time, happy building.